Hi, Bill White again. Okay, this time we're going to do mark the word or select the correct word type, H5P. This one is quite easy. Just like other ones, I have a text file set up, and just like all of the things in H5P, most of the time you just make the correct words with the asterisks around them. So they will have to choose the correct word in the parentheses. Okay? Very simple. Content bank. And then mark the words. Mark the words. And then give it a name. Yep. So okay, whatever. I don't know. And then, okay, so this is your description. Just, yeah. I'm just lazy. And then, okay. And then again, any settings you want. And you just click save. And there it is. And then you can just check. So all the words are clickable, but they can choose. Yeah, so schools. Okay, and then check. And voila. Very simple. So again, you just go in like before, and then you can just select words. Okay. Boy, I have bad typing skills. I've never been a good typer. Anyhow, and then that was it. Yep. And then again. And there you go. And then it's that simple. Okay? I'm sure you can think of many things to use it for. Good luck.